I wish. I often wish that every black kid had my dad. When I was a kid, my dad would help me with projects and reports for school. I remember staying up really late one night to write a report. I chose Martin Luther King. I like Martin Luther King. But reports with dad were never just reports with dad. There were opportunities to teach me about life and identity. We sat at the glass table in the dining room, encyclopedias on the table, bright lights on, yellow notepad, and ink pen in hand. Everyone else was asleep, and it was just me and my dad. I knew he had to go to work the next morning, but that didn't really matter then, because I was doing my report with my dad, and I was learning a lot. A lot of stuff I never really learned in school. He sat and reminisced. He told me about my grandma, and how she was a school teacher, and how she marched with Dr. King. I think my dad misses his mom, and living in Selma, Alabama. He told me about his school days, and he shared with me his ideas about integration. My dad actually wasn't for integration, definitely equalization, but he realized the harms of integration when it came to education and the self-pride of little black kids. He thought black kids were better off being taught by black teachers. I'll never forget that thought, and how to this day, I understood what he meant. There was value and identity that black teachers poured into black students that white teachers never did. Kind of like what my dad has done for me. I wish every black kid had my dad. He's not the world standard of a scholar or an intellectual, but he's the smartest man I know. Taught me history that no single book or professor has yet to uncover. He doesn't trade stock or invest in really savvy businesses, but every morning he wakes up and his days are spent to provide for our family. He's not your average churchgoer, but through the thick seasons of our family, he has stood as a pillar of God as only a man of God could. I remember seeing my dad cry one time. We were lying down in the living room, watching the movie A Time to Kill. A black man had killed two white men for raping his little daughter in a time period that he knew those white men would get off. And it was in that moment that I knew my dad would do the same for me and my sister. Because in his eyes, we were still his little girls. I wish every black kid had my dad. My dad has this love for just music and jazz that is indescribable. I mean, really. He never really gets dressed up or goes out much. But if you see my dad dressed, he's probably going to go support my uncle's jazz band. If you walk in my house, you would think we are at a concert. But no, it's just my dad blasting his music while subtly teaching us about the beauty of black art. I wish every black kid had my dad. I've been overweight my entire life, have struggled with obesity, and felt such shame. But my dad, he never really talked about it. It was just as if he saw me as normal. But that's the love of a dad. Big or small, made no difference to him. It was in his silence that I felt secure. I didn't realize how valuable he was until I went to college. Never realized how he shaped the very essence of my being, how he greatly formed my intellect and my understandings of the world. Sure, there's some tools that my dad didn't teach me, but I'll take workshops for that. Because the lessons I've learned, no class could ever give me. I wish every black kid had my dad. I think the world would be a better place. At least young black America would be. And if young black America is a better place, then the world is a better place. Boy, do I wish that every single black kid had my dad, or at least what my dad gave me. I wish.